why would we do that? So basically, it can't hurt and we're gonna try it. This is the moment of truth. Hey, welcome back to Seeking Simple. My name is Rihanna and today we're gonna be talking about baking powder. I've had a few people send me these Instagram reels about how to make your own baking powder substitute. And obviously the first question is, why would we do that, right? It is not hard to find, it's not super expensive, it's not going to greatly increase the quality of what I'm making, like the way a homemade cake is versus a box cake mix. Well, one reason is that store-bought baking powder isn't gonna last forever, so you can't stock up on it and make sure that you always have it on hand. So if you do run out, then it is nice to be able to make your own and not have to worry about running to the store. Then there's the issue of sodium aluminum phosphate. So number one, that has aluminum in it, and it can cause what you're making to have this really metallic taste. I don't know if you've ever gotten a pancake with a clump of baking powder in it and it just like ruins your mouth. Then aluminum and phosphate both, if consumed in large enough quantities, can affect things like your kidneys and cause neurological issues. Granted, we probably aren't eating enough for that to be a problem, but it's never a bad thing to cut something out that's gonna cause brain or kidney issues, right? So basically, it can't hurt and we're gonna try it, and it is time to do a test. So to make our baking powder substitute, we are just gonna do 1 part cornstarch, 1 part baking soda, and 2 parts cream of tartar. So instead of making drop biscuits like I would usually do, I'm gonna roll these out and cut them so I can make sure that I get them about the same thickness so I can look at how they rise. This is the moment of truth. Can you tell which one is which? They are very similar, but I think that the one on the left is a little bit more rounded on top. Another option to look at. So these 3 on the right are regular baking powder, conventional store-bought. These 3 on the left are the homemade. I think it's pretty even.